Hey guys, what's up? So have you ever ordered so much shit that by the time it came in the mail, you forgot what it was? Well, that's what this video is about. So check it out. So this video is kind of a combination of stuff that I ordered either through eBay or Amazon, or I picked up at Little Tokyo. So I was at Little Tokyo today and kind of added a bunch of stuff to, all the other stuff that I had ordered that I haven't shared with you guys. So let's get started. Let's check it out. See what we got here. So here's something that I ordered. Got my trusty pair of scissors here. And this is coming from the Robotech store. So I ordered a couple of things from the Robotech store, so I'm not exactly sure what this is. Could be a possibility of a couple of different things. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. Hopefully these packages are super easy to open because, I don't want to waste too much of your time. Oh, what the heck is that? Okay, so yeah, that's like the packing list or whatever. So I can already kind of, see what this is, and it's the Minmay figure. So I won't open that right now just because, that's probably a video in itself. But let's move on to the next thing. I ordered I already opened these, so a couple of manga books. So these are Macross manga books, and they're pretty cool actually. Let's see. This one in particular, I really liked that it came with some stickers on the inside. Kind of a sucker for stickers. So, and then it's just kind of a manga book, and it's got all this like Macross manga in it. So. And it's like the larger scale, so that's a scale I really love. I really love to see, manga in kind of Western comic book scale. So that's what's up with that. Okay, so what is this? I have no idea what this is. It's from Japan. Something I ordered from Japan that I don't remember. And oh, okay, I see what this is. So here we have, this is kind of like, what would you call that? Like something that you received when you went to go see a movie, like a movie program. Let's see if I could get that out. So this is a movie program. And gosh, I can't remember the name of this character right now. But anyway, that's what that is. So that's actually a great movie, if I could remember the name. Darn it. And it doesn't say the name in English on, on the front of the book. So, but you guys know what it is. Okay, so this is something from Amazon. I'm guessing it's a DVD, and it is. So it's Cutie Honey DVD, new Cutie Honey, and also picked up, which I opened already, was the Cutie Honey Universe, and this is like the box set that comes with like a booklet and the DVD, and I think some postcards or something like that. Haven't opened it yet, but yeah, big Go Nagai fan, so definitely wanted to get those guys. And then also Cyborg 009, had to have that. Check that out. Haven't watched any of this stuff yet. You know, I still have like a super big pile of DVDs next to my television that I need to watch. So then I have another item that I ordered from Japan, and I kind of just opened this already, but I hadn't shown it to you guys. And this is a Saint Seiya record, of course, vinyl. So you guys know how I love vinyl. And I'll just kind of take out the record and the inner sleeve so you guys could see what that's like. So it's Columbia Records, and here's the inner sleeve, which has a bunch of the characters on the inside. Really, really cool. Pan that over so you guys can see it. That's awesome. Love that. So much fun. Okay, what else do I have here? Let's see. So this feels like a book. It's kind of heavy. Pop that open. Oh, can't show you guys that book. Sorry. That's a Wally Wood book, so yeah, can't show that to you, or else we'll be in trouble. Wally Wood is known for his sci-fi art, but can be a little graphic sometimes. So, but his artwork's amazing. If you haven't seen it, you know, if you like Western comics, like, you have to check out Wally Wood's artwork. He died quite a while ago, so. And then my new Art of Skinner book. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Skinner, but he kind of makes like those like figures, like Japanese style figures, vinyl figures. So on top of that, he's an amazing artist, and kind of likes like the horror genre. So, you know, I like his artwork. Looks very like kind of rock and roll or like Marvel style. So I had to have that. When I see, here's like a bunch of the figures and stuff like that. Really cool. Look at that later. And what is this? I don't know what this is. So let's open this. I was like, there's got to be an easier way to open this. All right, let's take this out. Pieces of cardboard. Okay, so I joined a Kickstarter, and it's not the first Kickstarter that I've ever joined, and not the last either, because I just did the Megazone 2-3 Kickstarter, which I'm pretty excited about, because Megazone is probably like my favorite anime OVA. So let's see. Whoa, stuff's falling out of it. So anyway, this is kind of like a comic book, and it's kind of like a cyberpunk kind of deal. So I was like, kind of interested in that. I'll check it out. So you can see here, and it came with all kinds of extras and goodies. So, you know, it's kind of like a Western idea, I guess, of what cyberpunk is. And then you get all of these little posters and stuff like that. And I think there's an app. So there's an app like you could download, and when you look at the posters and whatnot through the app, then they have some animations and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Postcard, and then some stickers, but I won't open the stickers right now because it'll probably just fly all over the place. Okay, so what else? So today I went to Little Tokyo, and of course I had to stop at my favorite bookstore, the Kinokuniya bookstore, and this is what I bought. So what did I get here? I got the new Champion Red issue, and you know, they started doing the Cyborg 009, so looking forward to checking that out. And then I got Battle Angel Alita Volume 3, which I have 1 and 2 already. I just figure every time I go, I'm gonna pick up a volume, and today I picked up volume 3. I know, should have just gotten the box set, but didn't. And then I picked up this book, and when I first saw it, I thought it was like a Junji Ito book, but it's actually not. This is, see if Ume's Girl collection, and I guess this is an artist, manga artist that actually influenced Junji Ito. So at any rate, it's got some classic illustrations in it, and that was kind of right up my alley. And it's horror based, so I was like, all right, I'll take that. That looks cool for sure. So I got that, and then picked up Shunya Yamashita military figure. So I love his designs, really cool. And then this Ariel random figure. I don't really know too much about it, but it looked really cool. You can see the back of the box and kind of, you know, the figure and how you can kind of mix and match some of the armor and whatnot. She looks very like cyberpunk, and you guys know I love that. So at any rate, let's see if I can. I also went to the Jungle, I don't know if you guys can see this, the Jungle toy store as well, and I picked up these Time Boken, I think that's what it's called, Tatsunoko toys here. Let's see if I can open these up. I saw the guy like kind of taping it up, and it looked like he was getting like really involved with the tape, so I'll try not to take too much time and unpackage this. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have this little guy here. I'm not sure what he does, but thought it was like a pretty cool toy. It's like a little tank or something. If you guys are familiar with these characters, then you kind of know what that is. And there's another one. See if I could get this open real quick. And this is like a Pelican vehicle. I think it's a Pelican. Pretty sure. So that's pretty cool, right? I was like, oh, hey, I'll take those. Yeah, they look like they're like used, but in pretty good shape. And they didn't come with the boxes, so, but I didn't care. I mean, I'm just gonna display them anyway. And they came with a couple of figures, so pretty excited about that. So you get these two guys with them. Nice, right? Super cool. I love Tatsunoko. And this came, and I don't know what this is. So let's see. I don't even know where to start cutting this. It's like so small. I have no idea what this is. I mean, I remember ordering a book, but this is not a book. Does not feel like a book. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do some more cutting here. Like, I really hate when things are packaged this way, because you don't know, like, if you cut it open, if you're cutting what's inside, and that's pretty scary. So that's like really irritating. Wow, I really did a job with this tape and everything that they did here. Okay, so this is a tiny book. Okay, I did order this book, didn't realize it was this tiny, so pretty disappointed right here. Wow. Wow. So this is like a little Haruhiko Mikimoto book, and let's see if you guys could kind of see that. Wow, I didn't know it was microscopic like this. There's some good illustrations inside, but wow. Okay, every now and then that happens to me where I order something and it's not the scale that I thought it was. So at any rate, the last piece, I think this is the last box I have here. Yeah, so the last box I have here is, I know what this is actually, I think. Could be one of two things, but let's see, where does this open? Okay, gotta. So this is like a comic book set that I ordered from J. Scott Campbell, and he's like this artist, does a lot of Marvel stuff and a lot of alternate covers to comic books, and I really love his artwork, and you know, I'm kind of a sucker for some of these alternate comic covers. So this happens to be a set, you can see it here, that connects. I think it's like 5 comic books that connect together. So it's Batman covers, which is pretty cool. And let me just bring them out, show them to you guys. Okay, so kind of do it this way. It's the first one, which is Catwoman and Batman. Whoa, upside down. So you've got Batwoman, the Huntress, Robin, and the heck's her name? Black Canary. Okay. And then here you got Batgirl, Nightwing, and Commissioner Gordon. And another one that's upside down, looks like Poison Ivy, Clayface, who's this guy? Penguin, and I forget what the like ice guy name is. I can't think of it right now. And then Harley Quinn, you got the Joker, I think that's Ra's al Ghul, and the Riddler there in the background. Is that it? Is that all of them? Yeah, that's all of them. But anyway, when you put them side by side, they make one long picture together. So that's why I bought them. I thought they were really cool. There was an option to have them all signed, and it came with an extra comic book that had like Catwoman and Batman like in this pose where they're being married. And it wasn't really one of my favorite covers. But I would have liked to have them all signed, but it was like twice the price. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna get them unsigned, and then, you know, maybe catch up with J. Scott Campbell later on at a convention and then have him sign them. So that's what I decided to do. But anyway, that's about it, guys. I think that's everything I have. Let me know what you guys thought, and if you like videos like this about anime and comic books and stuff like that, records and whatnot, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and push that notification button. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.